Welcome to all pre-pick tutorials.
Today I am going to show you how to create mountain, landscape background or hills illustration effect background in Adobe Photoshop. Gradient tool shortcut G. Click to edit the gradient on main panel. Double click on color stop for edit color. Left side color stop R 245, G 241, B 154. Middle color stop R28, G45, B86. Right side color stop R1, G0, B0. Adjust location in the gradient editor. Draw gradient vertically using with gradient tool. Go to filter menu and filter gallery and artistic and palette knife. Stroke size 50, stroke detail 1, sharpness 10. Go to filter menu and filter gallery and brush strokes and sprite strokes. Stroke length 18, spray radius 18, stroke direction vertical. Select layer 1 and make duplicate layer. Select layer and apply screen blending mode. Finally, your mountain landscape illustration is now ready. Please follow steps and it's easy way to create mountain hills landscape effect background design in Adobe Photoshop.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe for new tutorials.